Hi students, let's try to understand hydrogen bonding. Okay, so student, it is very important. Hydrogen bonding is very important for so many liquid to exist in the liquid form. Like water is existing in the liquid form because of hydrogen bonding. H2S is not existing, but H2O is existing. Why? Because oxygen, fluorine, and nitrogen are capable to form the hydrogen bonding. Even you talk about the HF student, if you talk about HF, so it is going to be liquid. Why liquid? Why liquid? HCl is gas. Why gas? The reason is what student? H bonding. Here is H bonding available. Here is what student? No H bonding. Here is no H bond student. So this is what is the point student. NH3. If you talk about NH3, it is also again going to be what student? That is liquid state student. So these are the point student that the reason behind the hydrogen bonding, right? So here you see hydrogen bonding refers to the formation of hydrogen bond. What bond student? Hydrogen bond, which are a special class of attractive intermolecular force. Intermolecular force means what student? Between the two molecules that arise due to the dipole interaction between the hydrogen atom of that is bonded to a highly electronegative atom and another highly electronegative atom. It means students, it means they are saying that is C. HF is there now. Here is C. HF is there. HF. Again what is there? HF. So here is hydrogen atom of one molecule. It is getting linked with the electronegative atom of other molecule. Similarly here you can say similarly here. So these are what student? These are the called what student? Hydrogen bonding or H bond. See the here. How can you be able to understand this one? The oxygen atom develop a partial negative charge and the hydrogen atom develop a partial positive charge. In which case student they are talking about the case of the water molecule HOH. Here you see HOH and similarly HOH. So they are saying this is the developing negative charge and this is partial positive charge. This partial negative charge and partial positive charge. Partial negative charge and partial positive charge. So what is happening? This negative and positive are making the weak intermolecular force of attraction, and this is what is implies that hydrogen bonding. Now hydrogen bonding can be occurred due to the electrostatic attraction between the hydrogen atom of one water molecule with the partial positive charge and oxygen atom of another molecule with the partial negative charge. So these are the answer. Let's try to understand hydrogen bonding in hydrogen fluoride. Fluorine having the highest value of electronegativity form the strongest hydrogen bond. So which is forming strongest hydrogen bond? That is the fluorine. Hydrogen bonding in water molecule. A water molecule contain highly electronegative oxygen atom linked to a hydrogen atom. Oxygen atom attracts the shared paired electron more, and that is end of the molecule becomes a negative, whereas the hydrogen become positive. So it is pulling the electron here. So negative, it is positive, then again negative, positive, negative, positive. So what is happening? This positive charge and negative charge attract each other. So and that result in what student? H bond. Similarly here you can see ammonia is also getting formed the hydrogen bonding. Let me try to explain you ammonia. So here is hydrogen is there, this is hydrogen, and here is hydrogen. Similarly this is nitrogen, here is hydrogen, hydrogen. Now if you talk about the nitrogen student, it is the third most electronegative atom. So what is happening here? They are making the H bonding student. Here you can see this is making the H bond. Yes or no? So this is force of attraction between hydrogen atom of one molecule with the most electronegative atom of another molecule. So this is what is happening student. This is formation of that is H bonding student. This is going to be what? This is H bonding. So this is all about the answers. Now hydrogen bonding in alcohols also and carboxylic acid also. See here is the ROH is there now again. So this is here alcohol water they are forming the hydrogen bonding. Here is carboxylic acid is forming hydrogen bonding student. Now we are going to understand types of hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular, between two different molecules. Intramolecular, in the same molecule. That you need to keep in mind. Within a single molecule, an intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. Okay, intramolecular, within the single molecule. It is formed when two functional group of molecule form hydrogen bond with each other. In order to form intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the hydrogen donor and hydrogen acceptor must be present within the molecule. They must be present within each other. So what are there? Here is ethylene glycol is there. Ab ethylene glycol means what, student? Here you see CH2, again CH2. Here is what is there, student? O and H, and similarly here is what is there? O, and this is H. So what is happening? This is attracting this hydrogen. So this is going to be what, student? This is the H bond here, student. This is the H bond, right? So two hydroxyl group here, hydrogen bonding present between the two groups due to molecular symmetry. One more example of molecules that show this type of hydrogen bonding is salicylaldehyde. So salicylaldehyde, if you see, student, what is the salicylaldehyde? So this is O and H, and here is what, C double bond O, and this is H. So what is going to be there, student? Here is the hydrogen bonding. This is H bond, dear student. This is the H bond. Now go for the intermolecular. An intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed between two or more separate molecule in a substance. Two or more separate molecule, not the same, separate molecule. The donor atoms and acceptor atoms that took part in hydrogen are present in suitable position where they can interact. Example: water, ethyl alcohol, ammonia, hydrogen fluoride. They are the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, student. Let us try to understand water. Already I explained you HOH. HOH. Here is HOH. This is again HOH. Here it is forming the bond, student. This is also forming the bond, and this is also forming the bond. So this is what? This is the H bonding. What is, student? This is the H bonding. Similarly, this is H bonding. Okay, and here is also going to be what, student? H bonding. Okay, so these are all about the answer, student. Thank you so much for watching.